Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I would like to show you how to download and install a build update. First things first, I'm going to go to the downloads page. Next, go to build updates. Now, decide which version you're going to download, whether you're downloading for Shoot Pro or Trap 2014. Because I run Shoot Pro, I'm going to select Download Shoot Pro. Once the download is complete, click on the download. Windows Defender will pop up. Click on More Info, then select Run Anyway. Windows will now ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer. Select Yes. Now it's going to ask you to select whether you're installing this on a client or a server. In my case, I'm installing it on the server, so I'm going to select Server. Then click Next. Click Next, Next. Finally, click Install. If you are already running 3S, you may see this message. Select Automatically Close the Applications, then select Next. The build update will now begin installing. If you get an error message about TeamViewer, just click Ignore. If you are running the build update as a server, the database upgrader will appear. Simply click on Upgrade Database. Once you see the message that says Complete, click OK. Now that the build update is complete, click Finish. Now launch Shoot Pro. In the lower right hand corner you should see the new build update has been installed. And that's all it takes.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportssoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.